Hello and welcome to Purpose Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to add variable product into a Shopify store. So currently you can see that I have this Shopify store with a variable products for iPhone 14 Pro. And I'll be showing you how to add iPhone 14 Pro Max within the same aspects like 128, 256, 512, refurbished, excellent, good conditions, or color purple, black, or gold. So all these options will be included in this video, and also this long description and the different images as well. So you can see if I change the color from gold to black, the iPhone color changes. If I choose purple, it's purple, and this is beige. Okay, so let's start by logging into your Shopify partner or Shopify admin account. So I have this iPhone 14, but now I'll click on add product, and from start I'll just type in the title, which is iPhone 14 Pro Max. Status is active. Description. Let me copy the description from another product. Just copy and paste it here. Description is here. Now the type will be phone. Type is mentioned by default in the Shopify. You can mention a new one if you want. Vendor will be as brand like Apple. Collection will be phones, and tags will be Apple phone and iPhone, and theme template will be default. Now add some media. This is the main media file and not used for variations. So on the thumbnail, this image will be shown. Let me open the main image. Main image should be the black iPhone 14 Pro Max, and all other will be in the variations. You can also add the main images as long as you have multiple images. Okay, category is mobile phone and telephony. That's okay. Pricing. So you can mention the price here, but as I have the variable products, so I will not choose the price from start. Let me first add other aspects. Track inventory, yes. Quantity, shop location. Quantity will be, for example, for this phone, it will be 5, but each variation will have their own quantity as well. So SKU, let's see, IPC 123. Let's say this is the SKU, and the ISBN is something like this. You can add the actual number from the product vendor. This is a physical product, yes, it is grams, and let's say it's 150 grams. Okay, now the best part. So these are the other things that are included. I already added them, but if you want to add more, you can add more from here. The SIM card type, the display resolution, they are probably mentioned by Shopify itself. They are suggested, but you can add yours only. Okay, add options like size or color. So let's go to that product. We have color, we have storage, and the cosmetic condition. So we will add the color first. Let's add option color, and these are the global attributes which I already have in this store. So color black, let's add connect to color, click here. We have black, we have purple, we have Let's discard this, and we have gold and white. Okay, done. Colors are added. Now add another option, which is storage. Let's see if we have storage here. If not, then create a custom option. Cosmetic condition, battery, removable storage. No, this is not removable storage. This is just storage. Value is 1 to 8 GB. Sorry, 1 to 8 GB. Another one is 256 GB, and the final one is 512. Okay, done. Now add another option, which is cosmetic condition, and we have refurbished, we have used, we have new, and we have good condition. So 4 conditions are there. Now let's come to the variants. For black we have 12 variants, for purple we have 12, 12, 12. All these variants have these 4 options: 128 GB, 4 for used, refurbished, new, and then 256 for used, refurbished, new, 512 for used, refurbished, new. So this is for black. Let's add separate images for black. Like black one is the same image we uploaded as main. Save it. Purple, add new image. It's deep purple here. Done. Gold, add new image. Save. Done. And finally the white one, which is this one. Once you add all the images, now let's decide the prices. So for variants like new, let's add the refurbished certified for black. Let's say it's 500. For used it is 400. For new it's 700, and for good condition it's 600. Now for 256, slightly up all these prices because this is 256, it's 128, 128. Okay, for refurbished it's 550, for used it's 450, for new it's 750, and for good it's 650. Similarly for refurbished 512 it's 500, used is it's 450, 550, so it's 600 for refurbished, 500 for used, 800 for new, and similarly it's 650, 700 for good condition. Same as these, we will add the prices here as well. Let's add some random prices: 400, 450, and 500. 500 for used, 550, and 600. For new it's 700, 750, and 800. And for good it's 600, 650, and 700. So after making all these, let's manage stock. If you want to manage separate stock for each of these variations, then just write down here. Let's add 5 5 6 6 5 6 5 4 5. Okay, now we will leave these two for now. Let's add some custom options from here. Data network 5G, you can also add 4G if you want, or 3G or LTE, something like that. So these are considered as extra features. Operating iOS, SIM card single and dual both, and SIM unlocked, post pay or pay as you go. You can also add display resolution. Let's add display resolution like 1280 by 1024 or 1440 by 900. Similarly, SIM card 1 type and SIM card 2 type. But let's just save it, and as this product is active, it will be immediately shown on your front end. So go to the product section after it is saved, and let's view this on front end. So here you can clearly see that the gold and the white options are not available, but it will change the image to that specific phone. But these are sold out, as we didn't mention any inventory or prices, and these are also not available for these two colors. If you choose black, then you can see 500, 256 is 550, and 512 is 600. Similarly, if you choose used, it's 500. If you choose new, it's 800. It's good, 700. And if you choose change the color, then the price will also be changed accordingly. And if you scroll down, we have the description as well. So this is how you can add a variable products to your Shopify store. I hope you learned something from today's video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my future videos. Thank you.